I'm Shalaharach, Present Tense Verbs, page 21. These are things you do every day. For example, if you collect something every day, if you hurry every day, if you finish every day. Play 6 verbs at a time, pause the video, repeat to get the pronunciation correct, and then stand up and do the actions. Balíonn, Brustíonn, Creaghníonn, Cuairdaíonn, Etalíonn, Freagraíonn. Buan, Ceannaíonn, Athraíonn, Éiríonn, Usclaíonn, Gortaíonn. Grámaíonn, Maríonn, Taspáineann, Tarraingíonn, Triománaíonn, Imríonn. Sábháileann, Slónaíonn, Tiománaíonn, Tosaíonn, Úsáideann. The next 12 verbs are the most common used, known as irregular verbs. Na bríothar na bhríocha. These are tricky ones. Tá tú ar scoil, you are at school. Bíonn tú ar scoil, you are at school. Gach lá, every day. So bíonn if it happens every day. Fecinn, itin, ólann, déanann, berann. Téann, cluiseann, derann, faigheann, tagann, tugann. For tugann, you put in a duh at the end of the sentence. Tugann tú bruntanas don bhuntóir gach bliain. You give a present to the teacher every year. Tugann tú bruntanas duh. For berann, you put at the end. Berann tú an líoróid. You grab the ball. For taspáineann, you put duh at the end. Taspáineann tú an cópláir duh do bhuntóir. You show the copy to your teacher. Play 6 at a time, pause the video, repeat for the pronunciation, then get out of your seats and do the actions.